Our sweet escape takes us to the vibrant streets of Spain. Today, we discover the crunch and warmth of the legendary churros with chocolate. With a history as rich as its flavour, churros are believed to be named after the horns of the churra sheep, a nod to the shepherds who once prepared them. Simplicity is the key to this masterpiece. It starts with a basic yet precise mixture of flour, water, butter, and a pinch of salt. The secret is in the choux dough. Flour is added to boiling water and butter, then stirred vigorously until a smooth, firm ball forms. Once cooled slightly, fresh eggs are beaten in one by one until the dough reaches a perfect, glossy consistency, ready for the piping bag. Using a star-shaped nozzle, the dough is piped directly into hot oil, creating those signature ridges that hold the sugar and chocolate so well. Fried to perfection, they must reach a beautiful golden brown hue, ensuring a loud, satisfying crunch on the outside while staying soft inside. While still hot, they are tossed in a mixture of sugar and cinnamon, adding a sweet aromatic sparkle to every bite. A Spanish churro is never alone. We prepare a thick, rich chocolate dip made with high-quality dark cocoa for a sophisticated bittersweet balance. Serve them traditionally as a breakfast or a late-night treat. The contrast between the warm, crunchy dough and the silky chocolate is heavenly. Notice the steam, feel the crunch, and dive into the chocolate. It's a sensory experience that defines Spanish hospitality. From traditional loops to stuffed variants filled with dulce de leche, churros have conquered hearts around the world. Crispy, sweet, and undeniably Spanish, this is the ultimate comfort food. Enjoy your homemade churros. Videomuzu beğenmeyi, kanalımıza abone olmayı unutmayınız. Thank you for watching.